fashion designer Simone Khambata is currently being grilled by the NCB. She is at their office over this drug case. Simone reached the narco team office at around 9:37 this morning. She is named by RIA during her interrogation by the NCB. Simone is a popular fashion designer in Bollywood and is close to a lot of bigwigs in the industry. Today is the first day of the big Bollywood grilling. Tomorrow you've got Deepika Padukone who will join the NCB probe, and the day after that on Saturday, Sara Ali Khan and Shraddha Kapoor have been summoned. So it is clearly going to be a power-packed 3 days at the Narcotics Control Bureau office in Mumbai.
सिमोन, क्या कहना है? रिया चक्रवर्ती के साथ आपका काफी क्लोज संबंध थे। रिया चक्रवर्ती ऑलरेडी ड्रग कनेक्शन में अरेस्ट हुई है। क्या सिमोन खंबाटा बिल्कुल कोई भी जवाब नहीं देते हुए यहाँ पर वो पहुंच चुकी है, लेकिन जिस तरीके से मीडिया यहाँ पर मौजूद है और उनसे लगातार सवाल किए जा रहे हैं, लेकिन वो बिल्कुल कोई जवाब नहीं दे रही है। तो अभी वो यहाँ पर बाहर मौजूद है, दोबारा वो अंदर जाएगी। थोड़ी देर पहले अपने घर से निकली थी, आधे घंटे का समय हो चुका है और सिमोन खंबाटा से दोबारा हम पूछताछ करेंगे। हम उसके जानने की कोशिश करेंगे क्योंकि रिया चक्रवर्ती की काफी क्लोज है और उनसे हम पूछताछ पूछेंगे। सिमोन, क्या कहना आपका? रिया ड्रग केस में ऑलरेडी अरेस्ट है, आपका क्या कहना है सिमोन? तो सिमोन खंबाटा अब एनसीबी ऑफिस पहुंच चुकी है और अब वो यहाँ पर उनसे पूछताछ की जाएगी। देखिए, ये बड़ा नाम है बॉलीवुड का, ये बहुत ही बड़ा नाम है। मैं आपको बता दूं, बड़ा नाम इसलिए क्योंकि सिमोन खंबाटा एक बड़ी फैशन डिजाइनर है। उनके जो आउटफिट्स है वो काफी ज्यादा मशहूर है। रिया चक्रवर्ती ने भी उनके आउटफिट्स को पहना हुआ है। कई सारे पिक्चर्स सामने आए हैं जिसमें रिया चक्रवर्ती सिमोन खंबाटा के आउटफिट्स पहने है। सिंपली सिमोन करके उनका जो ब्रांड नेम है। और दूसरी अगर जो मैं बात करूं आपको, तो बॉलीवुड में काफी नामचीन चेहरा है, नामचीन नाम है इनका। और जो सिमोन खंबाटा है उनका एक यूट्यूब चैनल भी है, सोशल मीडिया पर काफी ज्यादा मशहूर है। रिया चक्रवर्ती ने जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन में नाम सामने लिए थे उसमें से एक नाम सिमोन खंबाटा का भी, और अब वो यहाँ पर पहुंच चुकी है। यहाँ पर देखिए एनसीबी गेस्ट हाउस ऑफिस पहुंच चुकी है। यहाँ पर अब एनसीबी की टीम उनसे पूछताछ करेगी और आगे की जांच होगी। बहुत महत्वपूर्ण दिन है आज का, जब सिमोन खंबाटा से आज यहाँ पर एनसीबी गेस्ट हाउस में एनसीबी की टीम है जो पूछताछ करेगी। जो एसआईटी टीम है, आपको बता दिए, जो दिल्ली एसआईटी की टीम है वो उनसे आज पूछताछ करने वाली है। क्योंकि ये देखिए तस्वीरों में साफ ये है सिमोन खंबाटा, क्लियर चेहरा आप देख सकते हैं। ये एक्सक्लूसिव विजुअल्स आप देख सकते हैं। देखिए किस तरीके से सिमोन खंबाटा अब मुंबई पुलिस के साथ जाते हुए सिमोन खंबाटा अब एनसीबी गेस्ट हाउस में पहुंच चुकी है और अब इनसे पूछताछ की जाएगी।
Let me take this across to Saurabh Bhaktania, who's joining us live from outside the NCB office. So, Saurabh, Simone Khambata currently being questioned. We've got details that she's essentially going to be asked about Ria's statement in which Ria named Simone. There was another strategy that the NCB had, which is that Simone and Rakul Preet will be questioned together. Looks unlikely that that's going to happen now.
Akshita, it looks unlikely, but this will create more problem for Rakul Preet only, because if she's not cooperating with the NCB officials, they have other ways also. So he has no other option, but she has to come over here at the NCB office and she has to face all the questions which will be put forth by the NCB officials. Right now, the timing has been questioned by the NCB officials. She also knows that her name had come up in this whole case. She was summoned by the NCB officials on all the platform, be it her social media account, be it her phone, both the addresses both in Mumbai and Hyderabad. But right now the timing the NCB is questioning, which will create some problem for Rakul Preet, because she was called at 11 over here. It's already past 10. She has to be over here. Simone Khambata is already in because they wanted to question them together in this whole case. Her name come up in the investigation done by the NCB officials of the in the name by the Riya Chakrabarti. She specifically named her. So her questioning was very important today by the NCB official, but it's very unlikely, as you said, that she may not appear over here. The sources have already told us that she was in Hyderabad yesterday. She arrived in Mumbai yesterday, and she was in close contact with her legal team, and she may have been guided by them there is no need to appear over here. But the NCB team officials are very clear that she has to arrive over here. She may give so many excuses, but they have all the legal aspects over here. Now, when we talk about Simon Kambata, she is already inside the NCB office. Her questioning remains very important.
Yes.
This is the start of the 3-day mega investigation by the NCB officials, and we tried to question her a lot because you know her very close friend is Riya Chakrabarti. We asked her about the drug connection. Riya Chakrabarti already arrested in the drug case. Now what she has to say about it? We saw so many pictures of Riya and Simon together, but she kept silent. She did not answer any of the questions which were put forth by India Today. But now she is inside. She will be questioned about the drugs link.
And we're going to be tracking that. We're going to be tracking what is the outcome of the interrogation today. As you pointed out, Saurabh, 3 days of a lot of action where you're standing at the NCB office. Thank you for joining us.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.